Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Service level isn't just about reaching the target, it's about sustaining it. The biggest obstacles? Unpredictable call volumes that strain staffing, high attrition and absenteeism reducing capacity, outdated systems slowing response times, and conflicting business priorities that push SL down the list. Add in compliance requirements, limited agent authority, and over-reliance on short-term fixes. Together, these make sustaining performance a constant challenge. Let's start with forecasting inaccuracy, a common challenge in contact centers. When customer demand is either under or over-forecasted, staffing mismatches are inevitable. Even a small error, as little as 5%, can create serious consequences during peak intervals, causing service-level breaches, longer queues, and frustrated customers. That's why precision forecasting isn't just a numbers exercise, it's the foundation for keeping service-level performance stable. Next, let's look at shrinkage mismanagement, another critical factor that hurts service level. Shrinkage comes in two forms. Planned shrinkage includes meetings, training, coaching, and breaks. If these aren't factored correctly into schedules, coverage gaps appear. Unplanned shrinkage, like absenteeism, sick leaves, or system downtime, creates sudden drops in available staff. The impact is clear. Fewer FTEs on the floor means insufficient coverage, longer queues, and service level dips. Managing shrinkage with discipline is essential to keeping performance steady. Now let's talk about volume surges and seasonality, factors that can overwhelm even the best prepared contact centers. Unexpected spikes, like outages, product recalls, regulatory changes, or even viral complaints, can flood queues in minutes. Seasonal peaks are more predictable, holidays, tax season, or major product launches, but they still create intense demand. The impact? Agents get overwhelmed, wait times climb, and service level drops quickly. Anticipating and planning for these surges is critical to keeping customer experience intact. Our next challenge is average handle time creep. This happens when interactions grow longer than expected, often due to complex queries, inefficient agent tools, or lengthy after-call work. The result? Agents stay occupied for longer periods, queues start to build, and service level slips, even when staffing levels look sufficient on paper. That's why controlling AHT is not just about efficiency, it's about protecting service level performance. Now let's examine routing inefficiencies, a hidden drain on service level. Poor skill mapping often sends customers to the wrong agents, leading to multiple transfers and wasted time. VIP priority queues protect high-value clients, but if resources aren't balanced, they can drag down service level for general customers. The impact is inconsistent service distribution and volatile SL performance. That's why smart routing design is essential to deliver fairness, efficiency, and stability across all customer segments. Next, let's focus on high abandonment rates, a clear warning sign in any contact center. Customers abandon when hold times drag on, when estimated wait times aren't communicated properly, or when no callback option is offered. The impact is twofold. First, the service level metric itself can get distorted, making performance look better or worse depending on the calculation method. And second, and more importantly, customer frustration rises, eroding trust and damaging long-term loyalty. That's why managing abandonment is as much about protecting relationships as it is about protecting SL. Now let's look at technology failures, one of the most disruptive challenges for service level. System downtime, whether in telephony, CRM, or IVR, can instantly halt customer service. Even when systems are technically up, slow or laggy platforms increase average handle time and extend queue wait times. The impact can be severe. Just a 30-minute outage during peak hours is enough to derail daily service level targets. This is why resilient, well-maintained technology is critical to sustaining performance. Finally, let's talk about agent attrition and morale, a human challenge with a huge impact on service level. When experienced agents leave, capacity drops and average handle time often rises as newer staff take longer to resolve interactions. Burnout makes the problem worse. When agents face constant backlogs and poor service levels, motivation falls. This creates a vicious cycle. Poor SL leads to stress, stress drives attrition, and attrition further worsens SL. Protecting morale and retaining talent isn't just good people management, it's essential for sustaining performance. Our next challenge is over-reliance on short-term fixes. Contact centers often lean on quick solutions, like excessive overtime, bringing in temporary staff, or focusing on service level only at the end of reporting cycles. While these may provide momentary relief, the impact is costly and unsustainable. They drive up expenses, exhaust agents, and create inconsistent customer experiences. True service level stability comes from long-term strategies, not short-term patches. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.